Welcome class 9 students. As you are sure, next class we will discuss about very important question, and this is equation of motion. So make very important topic, equation of motion. At least out of 3 equation, one equation will asked in every time, in every exam. So this is very important for as well as for numerical points. For numerical points, this is another use of this equation. So there are 3 in your syllabus. V equal to U plus AT. This is the relation between VT. Okay. Second, S equal to UT plus 1 upon 2 AT square. This is the relation between ST. It could be asked as a ST relation, or it could be S equal to UT plus 1 upon 2 AT square. Sometime directly question is given, sometime in hint it is asked for S and T, distance and time. And third, V square is equal to U square plus 2AS, and this is also known as V and S graph. So this is the 3 equations. V is equal to U plus AT, S is equal to UT plus 1 upon 2 AT square, and V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. V is final velocity, you better know. U is initial velocity, A is for acceleration, and T for time, and S for distance. So this is the introduction about all these equations. Okay, now we will do one by one because proofs are in your syllabus, but by graphical method. So there are 2 ways by which you can prove it, by graphical method or by calculus method. But calculus method is not in your syllabus, it is in higher class. So we will go through the graphical method. So first we will take a graph for this. Okay, so now see the graph. This is the velocity time graph. A body is here origin. Body started from U. In previous lecture I taught you, started from U and its final velocity reached to what? V, and its time was 0, and here its time is what? T. This is the velocity time graph. U started velocity, V is the final velocity. At U its time was 0, and at V its time is what? T. Okay. Now put this O. Let's suppose this point is A, this point is B, this point is C, and this point is what? D. So we are getting such type of structure. Previously I taught this is the VT graph. Body is V and T graph, not V and T. VT graph. Body started from U velocity. Its final velocity is V. Now let us suppose points are O, A, B, C, and what? D. There are some points. So first equation for you. First, what are acceleration? Rate of change in velocity is called acceleration. Do you know? The rate of change in velocity is called acceleration. So what we get here? A is equal to what? A change in velocity. You better know. Change in velocity become BD minus CD. You can see here. Total velocity is BD and minus CD. It become BD minus CD. BD minus CD divided by the rate of change divided by what? AC you can write, or you can write OD divided by what? OD. So A is equal to what about BD? BD final velocity is what? V minus CD. CD is initial velocity. CD is equal to OA because they are parallel in mathematics. So it become what? U divided by OD. OD is the time T divided by what? T. Are you getting? Cross multiply, we will get AT. AT is equal to V minus U. So V is equal to U plus AT. We got first answer for you. Are you getting? Or directly you can take the slope of graph. Beta slope of graph is equal to this divided by this, perpendicular divided by this. Perpendicular BC is equal to BD minus CD. BD minus CD, and it become BD is equal to V, CD, BD is equal to V, and CD is equal to what? U divided by OD. OD is equal to AC. You better know both are parallel, and it is time T. Cross multiply, you will get V is equal to U plus AT. So this is first one for you. Okay. Second, distance. For velocity time graph, if you find the area, you can go through the distance. So what are the area for that graph? You can see its area divided into 2 parts according to your geometry or mathematics. This is for triangle and this is what? Rectangle. And you better know triangle and rectangle formula for area. So what we get? Distance S is equal to area of that. So what is area of that? It become OA. You better know. Multiply of what? R. OA multiply by OD plus This is the area of that, okay, plus area of that. This is the triangle and it is 1 upon 2 height into base, you better know. So it become 1 upon 2 height. What is height? BC, height is BC into what? It become height into base, and base is what? Come on, AC, very easy. So we can write as equal to OA. What is value of OA? You better know. U into OD, it equal to T, so it become UT plus 1 upon 2 BC. What is the value of BC? BC into what? AC. BC into what? AC. AC is equal to T, and what a value of BC? You better know. What a value of BC? A is equal to acceleration is equal to what we get in BC upon acceleration is equal to BC upon time. So what a value of BC? BC is equal to what we get here? Come on, 80. A is equal to BC upon AC or time T. So what value of BC? BC we can get 80. So what we can write? BC is equal to 80 multiplied by AC. What is value of AC? A into C is equal to T. It is equal to T. So answer is S is equal to UT plus 1 upon 2 what? 80 square. This is the second equation. Are you getting? This is equation number second. Okay. It's okay now? Now third portion is there. Third portion. This is the definition of acceleration. Acceleration is equal to the rate of change in velocity. So rate of change in velocity is equal to BD minus CD, and BD minus CD is equal to what? BC, and BC is equal to what? V. And so A is equal to V upon that T, and so V is equal to what? 80. So in the place of BC, we can write what? 80 into AC. This is A. A and C is equal to T. AC is equal to OD, and it is equal to what? T. So directly we can write this. It becomes S is equal to UT plus 1 upon 2 80 square. Okay. Third equation. Our third equation was V square is equal to U square plus 2S. So again we will get through the area because S is given, and this is the as like trapezium. So what we can write? S is equal to area of trapezium. What area of trapezium? Sum of parallel arm. You better know. Sum of parallel arm multiply by separation distance divided by 2. Are you getting? Sum of parallel arm multiply by separation distance divided by 2. So what is sum of parallel arm? It become OA plus BD. Sum of parallel arm multiply by separation distance. What is separation distance between them? It is equal to what? AC divided by 2. Are you getting that? Okay. So S is equal to what is value of OA? OA is, you better know. OA is U, and BD is equal to V. U plus V into what we get here? Come on, AC. It is equal to what? AC. We will get the answer. Divided by what? 2. In previous lecture, we get the formula for AC. A is equal to what? We get the formula A is equal to what? A is equal to B C upon what? T. BC upon T. So what a value of T here? A is equal to BC upon T. What a value of T? And T is equal to AC. T is equal to what we got? AC. So AC is equal to it will go up. AC is equal to what? BC upon A. BC upon A, and the value of BC is equal to V minus U. The value of BC is equal to V minus U. So what value of AC? So S is equal to V plus U. U plus V could written as V plus U into AC. What value of AC? AC is equal to BC upon A, and BC is equal to V minus U upon A. So it become V minus U divided by 2, and it's divided by what? A. Cross multiply 2AS is equal to A minus B, A plus B, it become A square minus B square. So it become V square minus U square. You will come here. So V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. This is the third equation of motion. So this is all about your laws of motion. Okay, that's all.